What's up guys, Zoe Hopper here, back with another video, and today I will be repotting this fiddle fig leaf, just giving it a new home. So this is a plant that I got recently. I just want to get it in some new soil to help give it some new nutrients and things like that. Now this one is slightly smaller, so it'll be a temporary home for the fiddle fig, but hopefully before long we'll have a nice grown healthy fiddle fig plant. So check it out. So once I get it out of the dirt, I like to break it up, expose those roots, inspect the roots to see what kind of condition they're in. I'll trim them and then I'll get them into the new soil. Alright, so we got the roots exposed. Everything's looking pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna trim the roots any. I think I'm gonna just get them down in this new pot. And I'll use some of this old dirt because it's not bad dirt. Just get it into the new pot. All right, so there we go. Got her potted. She's looking beautiful. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have any tips or suggestions on how to get this fiddle fig growing out of control. So that's all I've got, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.